Welcome students, I am your commerce teacher Gurpreet Usan. We already started the method of evaluation of goodwill. Today we discuss the second method of evaluation of goodwill. The name of the method is super profit method. Now, what is super profit? Super profits are excess of the profits earned by the business than what the other business are earning in the same trade. That means super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit. Then the amount is now as a super profit. Under this method, there are some following steps are involved. The first one is calculate average capital employed. That means average capital employed is equal to opening capital employed plus closing capital employed divided by 2. The second step is calculate the normal profit. Normal profits are profits which a firm could earn normally. It is calculated by multiplying the normal rate of return with capital employed. The third step is calculate the super profit. Super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit. The last step is calculate goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profits multiply number of years purchase. Number of years purchase is mentioned in the question. Let's start the question. With the help of the question, it is easy to understand this method. First, we read the question. The net profit of the firm during last 3 years are mentioned. The capital investment of this firm is also given. So, skip the first step because capital investment is mentioned. Normal rate of return of the company is 12%. Calculate the goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase. Now, start the answer. First, you can see that capital investment is mentioned rupees 60,000 of the firm. Capital investment is now as a average capital employed. So that's why we skip the first step. Now calculate the actual profit. Actual profit is now as a average profit. Average profit is equal to 22,000 plus 25,000 plus 25,000 divided by 3. $72,000 divided by 3. Now the actual profit is equal to rupees 24,000. The next step is calculate the normal profits is equal to average capital employed multiply rate of return. Average capital employed is mentioned 60,000 multiply 12%. The answer is 7,200. Now the third step is calculate the super profit. Super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit. Actual profit is rupees 24,000 minus normal profit 7,200. The super profit of the question is rupees 16,800. Now the last step is calculate the goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit multiply number of years purchase. Super profit is 16,800 multiply 3 years purchase. The goodwill is 50,400. I hope students you understand this method. If any doubts then please comment. Thank you.